Good morning, students. In last lecture, we learn about the to find out the area and perimeter of the triangles. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about the area of circle and perimeter of circle. So two things we are going to learn over here. So as you know that the area of circle. So what is area? Enclosed by the perimeter of the circle. If you look at this point, okay, enclosed by perimeter of the circle. So you know about the circle. See at the figure here, this is a circle. O is the center and R is the radius. Okay, so this shaded portion or dotted portion is the area of the circle. Clear? So what is the formula of area of circle is area is equal to pi r square, and second point is circumference. It is the length of the boundary of a circle. Okay, what is the perimeter of circle? This is also known as a circumference. It is the length of the boundary of a circle. For every circle, this is very important. For every circle, ratio means we are talking about pi, is equal to its circumference upon its diameter. So we can say diameter is equal to 2 pi r. Now see the another circle. If the circles are concentric, means circle within circle, and in these questions you have to find out the area of the shaded portion. When circle is within circle, see here at this point, at this location. So what is happening here? In this figure there are two circles. One circle is this one, okay, and second circle is this one. So this shaded portion, if you have to find out the area of this shaded portion, or you can say bounded portion, then consider r is the radius of the outer circle and small r is the radius of the inner circle. So area bounded by two circle, or you can say shaded portion or shaded part, is equal to external area minus internal area is equal to pi r square minus pi r square. Pi will be common here, so r square minus r square. So these are the few things which is in your course. And one more thing is there, you have to find out the area of quarter circle, or you have to find out the area of semicircle. Please go through the reduced syllabus of mathematics. I have posted in your WhatsApp group and as well as in your Google Classroom. Now see, this is a question number 9. So these types of questions are very important, and what you have to do is in this question there is a square ABCD. In ABCD, sides are 28 centimeter. So what is the question? ABCD is a square, side is equal to 28 centimeter. 4 identical circle are cut. Find the remaining area of the cardboard. So what we have to do, it is very easy. So you have to find out the area of ABCD, means square, and you find the area of one circle. So the side is 28, so circle area will be of 7 centimeter. Look at this point. One circle diameter is 14, so the radius will be half of the diameter, that is 7, and you can find out this way area of remaining card is equal to area of ABCD minus 4 into area of one circle. So this way you can find out. Now do this exercise, okay, 22, and complete it. If you have any doubt, we will discuss with you, okay.